If you're running an e-commerce business, email marketing is likely a key part of your strategy. But with so many tools out there, like GetResponse and Drip, it can be hard to choose the right one for your needs. In this video, I'll compare these two platforms so you can make an informed decision. But stick around, because by the end, I'll show you a better option that could be the game changer for your business. Let's start with GetResponse. It's a solid, all-in-one marketing tool. You can manage your email campaigns, landing pages, automation, and more. One of the major selling points is its ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can navigate through it without much hassle. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, and it comes with pre-built templates designed to boost conversions. But here's where it gets a bit frustrating. When it comes to advanced segmentation, it's not as powerful as some of the other tools out there. While it does the job, it's not perfect for deeper, more granular targeting. Next thing, let's talk about Drip. Drip is known for its focus on e-commerce businesses. If you want to deliver personalized, highly targeted email campaigns, this could be the one for you. The automation features are top-notch, and it offers more advanced segmentation than GetResponse. You can create workflows that are super specific and track your customer behavior with ease. However, it's not as beginner-friendly as GetResponse. The learning curve is steeper, and that could be an issue if you're just starting out with email marketing. The third thing to consider is the pricing. GetResponse is generally more affordable. It has a free plan, which can be a good way to get started if you're on a tight budget. However, as your business grows, you might find yourself needing more advanced features, which could push the cost up significantly. On the other hand, Drip has a higher starting price, but it's more aligned with businesses that need advanced automation, detailed analytics, and sophisticated workflows right from the get-go. The fourth thing is integration capabilities. GetResponse offers plenty of integrations, but Drip excels in this area. It connects seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This makes Drip a better fit for businesses that rely heavily on these platforms for their online store operations. With GetResponse, while it does offer integrations, it's not quite as deep or e-commerce focused as Drip. Fifth point, customer support. GetResponse is known for offering excellent customer support with live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. Drip, however, doesn't have phone support, which could be frustrating if you run into issues. They do offer email and live chat support, but if you prefer speaking to someone directly, this might be a deal breaker for you. Now, to wrap things up, both GetResponse and Drip have their strengths and weaknesses. GetResponse is great if you're looking for an affordable, all-in-one solution with a user-friendly interface. But if you're focused on e-commerce email marketing and need more advanced features, Drip is definitely worth considering. However, after trying both myself, I found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds, easy-to-use features with advanced e-commerce integrations. So, if you want a more powerful tool for e-commerce email marketing, take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best trial available, plus some extra benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out now.